Hey, welcome back to the garage. It's Halloween, which can only mean one thing. Puns. Whitetail hornet season. And whenever I have this garage door open... Hang on. I'll be right back. Alright, that's better, but maybe there's a way we can scare them off for good. Also, I'm going to take this off because I'm going to be using some power tools, and this isn't safe. I got 2 tires filled with water. They're pretty shot. 245, 45, 17. I believe this actually came off of a Trans Am, but the tires are pretty much shot. There's patches. June 5th, 2000. These are 275 60 15s. They are much taller. Tread is actually pretty good, but these are also very old, so I wouldn't trust these. Suitable sacrifices. Basically, I want to cut somewhere in the middle of these 2 lines. So we'll target about here. I purposely made this a little bit bigger so I could try out some options. I was thinking about possibly, let me back up a little bit. The idea is to get this inside of here. Now, I could cut out the middle part of this. But you gotta remember, there's steel inside of this. Look at these flats. You can see that one, this one. Or, I could cut out the back of this. I don't think that jigsaw will do it. It's got a wood blade in it. Actually, I might just be able to slit and slit. And then work it in that way. Let's try that. Now, if this thing will behave, we'll be able to slice like this and like that, and then push the piece in. That's the idea. Wish me luck. Just like making a beadlock rim. There's literally no difference. It's the exact same thing. Okay. Cool, my Mustang now has rims. Now it needs a face. Can't scare away those hornets without an angry looking face. Halloween. Bust out the jigsaw. What's up with that? How cool is that? But we're not done yet, are we? We gotta make this thing look better. Gloss pumpkin orange. Let's do this. Let's stick to the tire. Oh my god, this tire sucks. I gotta make a decision. This may have been a huge mistake, but I painted it white to even it out, and then I'm gonna put that really light pumpkin color over the top of it after this tacks up a little bit. So we'll see. Take two, let's try this again. See what happens. Wow, 10 times better. Oh, that's the trick. Hey, that came out pretty neato. It's definitely a pumpkin. You can tell by the way that it is. All right. What do we think? So, there he is. What should we name him? I've called him Buddy enough times that I think he should have a name. Maybe Wilson? Have I been down here in this garage alone long enough that I can have a Wilson? Alright, so here's the back side of Wilson. Now what are we going to do to Wilson to make it even better? So, here's what I'm thinking. I have a box of LED light strips. Yes, more LED light strips. Now I want to make this so that it's like modular, right? We can get this out whenever we want. So I'm thinking in my head of making a cardboard strip that goes around here like this that I can tape all these into. I'll put this tape down, but then I'll also put some extra tape over it. And then I can just take it in and out as I need to. This would be completely unscientific. At least up to here, 66 inches at the least. So I need 66 inches by, let's say, 6 inches. Go a little bit longer. This is like 70 by 6 inches. You know what? That seems to work. Should we test this to make sure that this works? Pretty cool. Again, the idea is to have like a backlighting effect. That looks like crap in there, right? Well, let's see how it looks. Alright, just a quick warning that there's going to be some flashing lights. If you're photosensitive, you can turn this off. I just threw a piece of cardboard in the back to try to reflect a little bit of the light. And here we go. Oh, that is cool. I want to show everybody this. It's an extension cable, but like an American pollinating insect, it's USB. Pretty cool. Got another one of these things. Pretty sure these are all made by the same company. If you're gonna do this yourself, I'd highly recommend taking down these corners a little bit. I left mine all jagged. This is a huge mistake, but I don't know. It was fun. Let me know what you think. I'm not sure how I feel about putting this anywhere except on my workbench here. Hope you guys have an amazing Halloween. Be safe, have fun. Hope you guys also like this kind of goofy project. Hopefully it'll help me take care of them hornets. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. We took it off. Should we leave it? What do you think? You got something on your face there, buddy. Dude, not cool.